Students, today we are going to discuss the grammar topic of unit number 9, that is all is not lost. Before we start the lecture, before we start the class, let me tell you something very important. Students, listen it very carefully, and because if you will not listen it carefully, you will not be able to understand the topic. So today topic it is compound prepositions. What is compound prepositions? First of all, tell me. Compound. Look at the word compound. Compound, we use the word compound, that means something that is in the form of two. Okay, we use this word for two. Okay, in a simple sentence, we can say that when we divide the sentence twice and we even divide the sentence, so we use sometime here the compound sentence. Okay, so what is compound? Compound prepositions are two or more words working together as one word and functioning as a preposition. Okay, they are basically two words, okay, but they serves as a one word. Okay, they are two words and they serves as a one word and they function as a preposition. How you're going to get it? Example, he could not. Let me give you an example. Look at this example very carefully. He could not attend the seminar because of his brother's marriage. Okay, he could not attend the seminar because of his brother's marriage. There are two words, because of. Look at this word. I am highlighting this word, because of. In these two words, because basically that is a compound and of that is a preposition. Of is a preposition. These two words are serving as a one word. I have highlighted this word, I have bolded it and I have underlined it. They are working as two, but they are serving as one word and they are serving as a preposition. Okay, so he could not attend the seminar because of his brother marriage. That was a reason that why he did not attend the brother's marriage. Next, there are some other compound prepositions along with, away from, instead of. So in this example you can easily see that with, again in along with, along can be used for the compound and with is a preposition. Away can be used in such manner of compound, from is a preposition, instead can be used in a manner of compound, and off is a preposition. But when they will serve together, when we will serve both, as when will they make as a whole, so we will take it as a one word. Students, you will receive the exercise of this compound preposition in WhatsApp group. Next, the next topic is past perfect continuous tense. That is very simple. Again, past perfect continuous tense. First of all, look at the structure. What is structure? Structure, that is subject. Every sentence has a SVO. SVO mean subject, verb and object. So in this we have the subject, we have the auxiliary verb, we have again the auxiliary verb. In the past perfect continuous tense we have two auxiliary verbs, then we have the main verb. Okay, and with the help of main verb we can use the gerund as well. Gerund mean we can use the ing of any form, we can use the since and for concept plus object. So first of all, let me tell you about subject. Subject, the subject is that part in which we start the sentence. From the subject we start the sentence. Okay, look at the auxiliary part. In these auxiliary parts we have two auxiliary parts here, that is had and been. First, had is being used as a auxiliary verb, and again been in use as a auxiliary verb. Had is used for the past part, past perfect part. In every perfect sentence, in past perfect sentence we use only the single auxiliary, that is the had, because in present perfect, what we use in present perfect? In present perfect we use the auxiliaries, that is the have and the has. But when we say that is the continuous, so here we can use the word been as well. Had and been is used as a auxiliary verb. Next we have the main verb. Main verb, that for example or since or for. We use since when the time is given. We use for when the time is not given, and the object. For example, Rahim had been waiting for 2 hours. We have the example, Rahim had been waiting for 2 hours. So here in this example we can say that Rahim is a subject, had is an auxiliary, and been in again as an auxiliary used. Waiting, wait is a main verb, but when we use ing, that is a main verb. For, we use as for that is used for 2 hours. When the time is not given, when we use for. Okay, 2 hours, we don't know that they are talking about what 2 hours. They are talking about 2 hours, that in the morning, that is in the mid afternoon, that is in the midnight. So one concept here is very clear, that the concept of since or for is here when the time is given, when the exact time is given, we use since, and when the exact time is not given, we use for. Again, I can give you the example of since, like since 7 o'clock, since 7 p.m., since Monday, since Tuesday, since Friday, since January, since February, since morning, since afternoon, since midnight. Okay, so in this situation we use the word since. For means when the time is not given, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, okay, for many hours. Okay, so when we have not the given time, then we use for as well. Okay, so I hope you get this topic in a more better way. So you will receive the solution of this exercise in the WhatsApp group, and you have to do it in the neat copies, and make sure that there should be no grammatical mistake while copying it from the group as well. Thank you. If you have any problem, you can come to the school and you can discuss me with here.